What's up guys, EG Chris here. Today I'm gonna paint the strut bar that I have. It came from an SI or a GSR, I'm not sure. I have a K-tuned filter to put on the valve cover and some ground wires from Hybrid Racing. Let's do it. I sanded the strut bar a little bit and we're gonna use some acetone to get all kinds of grease, debris, anything that's gonna make it so the paint doesn't stick. Then we'll spray it with some primer. So I got this K-tuned breather filter, and it's the only one I could find like with a black housing. It's got the red filter, which I'm not super happy about, but you know what, it's gonna match, I don't know, some of the weird little red things I have, like the IV tech sign. Comes with this K-tuned, it's not quite a sticker, it's more of like a, I don't know, it's got a rubber outside. It's supposed to go here. I don't know if I'm gonna put it there, but you know what, give me you guys' opinion, put it down in the comments. You think I should put this on or not? For now, it's not gonna go on. Let's put it on. This is gonna be the quickest install video you've ever seen. Boom, it's on. Next thing I have to install are these Hybrid Racing ground cables. These were 40 bucks. It's good bang for your buck since the ones that are on the car are at least 26 years old from when the car was brand new. You know, these are all good. I like the shielding they used. Looks like it's good quality. I mean, Hybrid Racing makes some really good products, and fortunately this is the first one I've gotten from them, but you know, maybe I'll get their shifter sometime in the future or whatnot, but for now, ground cables it is. Let's go. Alright, so let's take off this old crappy grounding cable. Now take a look at what I just took off. Look at that, it's green, it's disgusting. I don't know why the hell I even had this on. It got the car going, but shit, this is terrible. I'm gonna put the new one on right now. This thing is like super long. I don't know if it's going to work in a factory position. I guess we can make it work. Well, we got that put into that bracket. We're gonna tighten this up. This top nut's a 13. Good. Next, we got this valve cover. Of course, we got my neighbor blasting his shitty music. We gotta get this ground next. Next, we're gonna do this valve cover ground. That's disgusting. Another, like, why the hell do I even have it on there type of thing. It's corroded, it's green, it's shitty, it's disgusting. Not only does it look like crap, it's going to not really work as good as I need it to. Now look at this embarrassment. That is disgusting. Why do I have that junk? We got the new ground wire in. I'm gonna put the strut bar over here so it's kind of, I don't know, you won't really see it too much. Well, here we have the transmission to frame wire ground. Not in the greatest condition. This was actually the valve cover to radiator support from the D series. It kind of worked, so I used it, but now it's gonna get retired. So we got this wire in. You got the factory ground underneath here on the intake manifold for the wire harness. We got this valve cover to body round, and we have battery to what used to be a bracket for the harness. That's a good ground there. And we installed the K-tuned breather filter, and off camera I rerouted this throttle cable. Got to throw the intake pipe back on. I'm gonna paint the strut bar now. Let's get it done. Well, it started to rain, so we're going to paint the strut bar inside. I'm gonna use I used this on the subframe. It's this roll bar and chassis paint. Gives it a glossy black color. I might paint it wrinkled black later on, but for now I'd like to paint it this color, just so I can throw it up on the car. Here it is, guys. The strut bar installed. I have some new hardware, some nuts there I like. That sounds weird. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this whole setup turned out. Got the breather filter, the nice clean grounds, freshly painted strut bar. I'm happy with the turnout of the car. It's only been a few short months. I got it out in October. It's bone stock D15. Here it is, K24 swap EG. Now, make sure you guys check it out on Instagram, EGChris92. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos will be coming out. Later.